Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 11 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really great week here at Simons Middle School. I did find some pictures that were published online of the student section from this week, so there's several of those. We also had some dissecting going on in Miss Ham's animal science class, and Cougar Hill Farm was selling honey. We do have a picture of our cross-country team in this photo here. These girls ran a 5K, and all of them are in middle school. They all finished under 30 minutes. So a very huge accomplishment for them. They all were competing against high school girls. So we're really proud of them for their endurance and for their courage in taking on a race that is meant for high school students only. We do want to tell parents that there are a couple things that are going on this week. We do have the Bring It bracelets are for sale. That is a fundraiser that is being hosted by Cougars for Christ. So if you are interested in getting a bracelet, you may send Miss Bowl a message, or you can send your student to school with a couple of dollars and they can purchase a Bring It bracelet. We also have Archery Club that is going to be starting up, and that is going to be part of Simons Middle School and part of Fleming County High School. So if there's anyone interested in the middle school team, Mr. Teeter, the athletic director, is working. They're going to give them hopefully the final okay this week. You can contact Heather Bretz by phone. Her phone number is 606-584-6559. And she just needs your child's name and their grade if you are interested in them participating in archery. So upcoming for this week, on Monday, we have an admin team meeting at 2 o'clock. We also have academic team meet at round. And we will have Google certification test or certification PD for the Google certification test. This is open PD to all staff in the district. So if you're interested in coming, please be at the Simons Middle School Library at 4 o'clock. On Tuesday, there is Next Gen meeting. This is day 4. There's also a meeting for admins at for the archery team at FCHS at 10 o'clock. The academic team will have a meet on Wednesday night. This is the written test. Staff, don't forget, on Thursday we will have flu shots in the lounge. And on Friday, it is, as always, Bring It Friday. It is also Mr. Fritz's birthday on Friday, and it is Club Day number 2. And I know that the students at Simons Middle School know how overjoyed Mr. Fritz is about Club Day being on his birthday, so I hope we all see you there. Alright, this week's Student Spotlight is 7th grader and Green Monkey team member Stacy Smoot. Stacy is a polite student who works hard in class. She's always kind to others. Just before our fall break, she brought in treats for all the staff members in our building, and she walked around and gave it all to us. She's very active in her church. She enjoys doing service projects that help others. She's a super hard worker. She was also one of the students who got to go on the movie trip with us this week because she completed her Alex and the Sheep Challenge. So congratulations, Stacy. She's also planning to deliver cards and stuffed animals to the nursing home at Christmas this year. So congratulations, Stacy. We are so very proud of you. Thank you for bringing it. I can't wait to see the amazing things you do, not only as a Cougar, but also as a Panther at Fleming County High School. Alright, so I know the date on here is wrong. I've just removed that. But this is our leaderboard for last week. Our reporting system has finally been fixed. So congratulations to these students who were top scorers last week. Isaac Harris, Kim Sanchez, Stacy Smoot, Kaylee Barnes, Cody Stevenson. Our top scorer for the week was Cody Stevenson. And the 2 students with 75% or above had the most activities at 75% or above on the first try were Cody Stevenson with 12 and Mallory Price with 8. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.